Are you looking for your first job or the next job? Do you feel that मैंने इतनी जगह अप्लाई कर लिया लेकिन मुझे कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आ रहा है? Do you then start feeling that maybe I'm not doing the job hunt right? क्या आपको जानना है कि राइट जॉब हंट और राइट जॉब सर्च के क्या टिप्स हैं? So please be with me for the next about 8-9 minutes so that we discuss what is right while you do the job search. इससे मुझे एक एग्जाम्पल याद आया. आई वॉज रीडिंग एन आर्टिकल बाय अ करियर कोच एलिसन डॉयल. She said it very beautifully and she told that job search is just like dating someone. So dating में क्या होता है, ऑनलाइन जाना आसान है and then अपना एक मैच फाइंड करना आसान है. So finding a match and going online is easy, but the real struggle starts after that, right? उसके बाद हमें डिसाइड करना होता है कि whether we are going to go with that match or not. And similar is with the job search. आपने अगर एक बार देख लिया कि this is what is the job that I require or this is what I will go forward with, the main task is how to apply to that job, whether you are applying right or not, whether recruiters are noticing my profile or not, क्या मैं जितना इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए उतना दे रहा हूँ या नहीं, कहीं मैं ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन या बहुत कम इन्फॉर्मेशन तो नहीं दे रही हूँ, और वेदर जो जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन उन्होंने दिया है वो मेरे से फिटमेंट है या नहीं है. दिस कैन बी अनदर क्वेश्चन, राइट? सो लेट अस एक्सप्लोर इट फर्दर. हाय everyone, I am Piyush. I'm a career coach and corporate trainer. I have been associated with careerguide.com for about 3-4 years now. We are a group of career coaches, career counselors, and we work on different aspects such as career confusion, someone who wants to transition from one career to another, and all of us work very closely with students, parents, and working professionals on different aspects. We use psychometric assessments. You can visit our mobile app and you can go to our desktop version and have a look at what all we have in store for you. Alright, so since we now have set a context that job search में हम job search तो कर रहे हैं but सही हो रहा है या नहीं, recruiters हमें देख रहे हैं या नहीं, हम वो impact छोड़ पा रहे हैं या नहीं, is something that we are looking at now going forward. So I'm going to give you 5 tips, alright? And the first tip that I have for all of you is be clear on your goal. For example, there was one client who was into social media marketing, who was also into digital marketing, who said that I build content, I do sales, etc. So although these fields are overlapping, but we need to gain that goal. We need to have that clarity that what is the role that I am going to look forward to. राइट, तभी आप उसके हिसाब से अपना स्किल्स बिल्ड कर सकते हैं, उसके हिसाब से आप आगे अपने आप को पोजीशन कर सकते हैं, राइट? सो यू द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू नीड टू डू इज़ दैट यू मस्ट have a goal. You must be clear on what is the position I'm applying for, right? और अगर आप ये सब कुछ कर रहे हैं, so my dear friend, you are right on the track. Number 2 is resume. रेज्यूमे के कई थॉट्स हैं. एक बहुत ही सिंपल थॉट प्रोसेस आई वांट टू शेयर विद ऑल ऑफ यू इज़ दैट एवरी टाइम आवर रेज्यूमे शुड बी ATS फ्रेंडली. ATS इज़ एप्लीकेंट ट्रैकिंग सिस्टम. अगर आप इसके बारे में और जानना चाहते हैं, सो वी हैव अदर वीडियोज़ ऑल्सो, प्लीज़ गो थ्रू दैट. बट फॉर नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दैट ATS अंडरस्टैंड्स टेक्स्ट, no images, no objects, it just understands simple format. और आपका रिज्यूमे जितना सिंपल हो, जितना क्रिस्प हो और जितना इन्फॉर्मेशन देना चाहिए उतना हो उसमें, तो इट इज़ ऑलवेज हेल्पफुल. सो सिंपल रिज्यूमे, it should not be colorful, not more than 2 pages, and it should have all the relevant information. Will certainly make your resume impactful, and it will help you understand that you are going in the right direction. The third point that once we have a fine foundational resume is tailoring your resume. So when I say tailoring, it's something like we go to tailor for getting the alteration done, and he makes any piece, any outfit, which fits us, and that is how you have to tailor your resume. We will be talking more on tailoring the resume in our more videos, and so tailoring is specifically for what our recruiter would like to look, what skills he is looking for, right? So for example, let me take the same example. The candidate that I was coaching was from PR. He said, I can do digital marketing, I can do social media, I can do content, I can do sales. So my dear friend, in case you can do all the things and you feel that your skills are overlapping to all these areas, you must tailor your resume. So a resume with for digital marketing will have different skill sets, will have different keywords when it comes to applying to a role in digital marketing. And when you are applying for a role in only sales, your skills will be different, the approach you take will be different, and thus a tailored resume is always a preferred one. So if we talk of the combination, that is a well-written resume and a tailored resume, I am sure you will get the visibility and you can understand कि आप सही direction में जा रहे हैं. And so with some patience, it has to be very consistent efforts. So efforts have to be consistent, patient, and in the right direction will help you succeed, certainly. Yeah. We come to the fourth tip, and again the fourth tip is very important: network. So जब भी जॉब सीकर्स के साथ हम लोग काम करते हैं तो आई यूजुअली आस्क देम कि आप कितना टाइम नेटवर्किंग में लगाते हैं. सो सबसे पहले हमें नेटवर्किंग को समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड व्हेन वी से नेटवर्किंग इज़ नॉट ओनली हमने जॉब सर्च के लिए किसी से पूछ लिया कि अच्छा मेरा रेज्यूमे है एंड कैन यू फॉरवर्ड इट. नो, इट इज़ समथिंग बियॉन्ड इट. अगर हम अपने सोशल रिलेशनशिप्स की भी बात करें तो हमेशा ये लेन का देन है, राइट? सो इन केस यू फील दैट I also should be able to help someone and then ask for it, right? So if it is a give and take mainly. And networking is not only with your known network. आपका known network कितना हो सकता है? 20, 30, maximum 100, और अगर कोई बहुत ही social है तो 200, not more than that. अगर आप अपने एलुमनाई को मिला लें, सो आपका कॉलेज का एलुमनाई है, आपका किस कंपनी का एलुमनाई है, पुरानी कंपनी का एलुमनाई है, आपके स्कूल के एलुमनाई है, सबको मिला के मुझे नहीं लगता कि हमारा नेटवर्क बहुत ज़्यादा होगा, राइट? सो रीचिंग आउट टू द नेटवर्क विच इज़ नॉट ओनली नोन बट अननोन एज वेल. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, कई लोग मेरे से पूछते हैं कि क्यों कोई अननोन जना मुझे हेल्प करेगा. क्यों? अगर आपसे कोई हेल्प मांगेगा तो आप करेंगे, और इसीलिए दूसरे भी करेंगे, राइट? सो दिस इज़ द कल्चर दैट इज़ बीइंग बिल्डिंग दीज डेज, एंड दस इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू नेटवर्क. जितना आप नेटवर्क करेंगे उतना रेफरेंसेस मिलेंगे, एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आजकल रेफरेंसेस डू हेल्प अ लॉट, right? So if you are doing the right networking, if you are spending good time on networking, I am sure it will give you the right approach, and also you will feel that I am doing the right job hunt for myself, right? The fifth and the last but not the least point is your social media presence. When we talk of social media presence, it's all about personal branding. और ये क्वेश्चन बहुत ज़्यादा आता है हमारे पास जब हम जॉब सीकर्स को कहते हैं दैट यू शुड मेंटेन योर सोशल मीडिया प्रेजेंस. दे यूजुअली से दैट maintaining a social media presence is more for people who are into business, who are entrepreneur, or who are freelancers, who are selling the products, who are selling the services. No, it is for all of us. Personal branding in these days is important for all of us. We have to understand that, right? We must understand that personal brand, building a personal brand is very important for all of us, not only for job seekers but everyone, as I said. So there was a recent survey, or a career builder survey, who said that half of the employers say that they reject a candidate because they didn't find any social media presence. So recruiters, before reaching out to you, the interviewers, before reaching out to you, do check your social media presence. So my dear friends, it is very important for all of us to be active, not only at social media, the professional social media such as LinkedIn, but also you should have a good and healthy presence at other platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, so that someone who is reaching out to you should know that who are you as a person, right? At LinkedIn, they'll come to know about your professional positioning. At Facebook, if you do something at Facebook, you must have a good presence at Facebook. Twitter, Pinterest can be another, YouTube can be another. So maintaining a good network and a great personal brand is a key to doing the right job hunt. So you see that life starts much after you decide to date. It starts much after you decide that now I want to look for another job. And there are many things. This is not just one thing, or these are not just 5 things that I have shared, but these are main key things. I will look forward to get to talk to you and help you in case you need help in job search. So reach out to me through the desktop version or the mobile version of careerguide.com, and we will be happy to help you. Thank you.